in 3, in 2, in 1.
It's making boost! It's making boost!
What's up, y'all? Welcome to Redneck Wrench Customs. In today's video, we're gonna be working on this, the Lil Root 300, our custom 3D printed Roots Supercharger. This is a beta version. We're gonna be testing it. However, we had a small calculation error. We're gonna fix it. It doesn't displace exactly 300 cc's. Now, I'm gonna turn it over to Bill, and he is going to tell us what we're gonna be doing.
So we're going to be heading over to a friend from church's house, and he's going to machine the shafts for us. And he's also going to put holes in the flywheel so we can put a belt on it and attach a pulley to this, which will drive the supercharger. And then we're going to take it back to the shop and bench test it with the spooge case. Dang it! Spooge case.
Get the gauge boost back or whatever.
Boost gauge.
Okay, good.
Yeah, yes, boost gauge. See y'all in the morning. So we're here at our friend's shop, and we're getting the shafts done and the flywheel done. So let's go over and see how he's machining them.
So, we got one of the shafts machined right here. Looks really awesome, but there's a little mishap, misunderstanding, no big deal. The hex here is 15 millimeters on the shaft, but the supercharger rotor's 15.75 millimeter. The drawing wasn't super clear, and so I'll have to reprint one of the rotors, but that's no big deal. Bill left for the day, so it's just me and our friend, and we're getting it done.
Day 2. Day 3.
So, we back. We went ahead and put this together last night because I didn't know if we would need to do anything over at a friend's shop. What's happening is the gears don't have enough backlash in them. And you can come just a little bit closer. So the gears, they're binding up. The rotors, you can see, they're spinning, and you can see witness marks in there, kind of where they're touching. So what's happening? We don't have no backlash in the gears, and so I've got some new gears on the printer. We're gonna fix that, but I'm gonna go ahead and take it apart, and we'll see what's happening. Okay, so
Popping off the covers.
yep, it's be interesting to see what's going on after we've run it just a little bit off camera. Ah, we have something going on.
I think.
Maybe the rubbing we were hearing is the rotor rubbing against the cover. I think that's it.
Yeah, maybe.
There we go.
There we go.
Ah,
That came out much easier.
there we go. So we have witness marks. You can see where things have been rubbing. And right there. So let's look at the housing walls. Housing walls is not rubbing the housing. I can tell you that. It's not rubbing the housing. This was just from previous rotors that I had run in here. And this, you can see it's rubbing the housing. It's rubbing the cover just a little bit.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna grab some sandpaper. Sure. And I'm just going to take this little bit of plastic out that's still in here from when we ran it before. There we go. Okay, so the bottom of the rotors, ooh, okay. It's kind of smooth there where you can see where it was running. Ooh, this is tight. Very tight. I think I'm gonna, now that we got them back, we've run them in, I'm going to sand these down a little bit because they're still tight in the bearings. We got them down to like 1/2 thousandth or 10th of a thousandth of an inch. It was like super close, and the fit on the bearings was super duper tight. It was a nice tight slip fit.
Yeah.
But it is biting me in the butt now. Temperature's changed, like it's that tiny. The temperature changes and the bearing doesn't fit right, and we run it in. I think I'm gonna have to knock off just a hair with some sandpaper. It's gonna be fine. It's not that hard, but I mean, doesn't this look so professional?
It does.
Like
Yeah.
the metal shaft, it's so chunky and heavy.
Yeah.
All right.
Our friend's the best, isn't
Yeah, freaking awesome.
he? Yeah.
All right, so here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna clean this up. We're gonna analyze this. Maybe take some sandpaper to these high points because you can see them now. High points there and all that. Take those down. Just run a little bit of sandpaper through the housing. Wait for the gears to finish. We're gonna put it back together. See what it does. We're on the home stretch, I think. All right. We went up to O'Reilly, got ourselves some dry graphite lubricant. See what it does. It's like an aerosol can. It's got some liquid in it that has graphite powder, and see what it do. So I'm gonna do a little spray on my vise here. Oh dang! Okay.
Oh yeah.
Dang.
Dang.
Okay. So I'm just gonna give it.
I don't know if I got that in the video. It's fine.
Oh Lord. I got it on me.
Oh wow. That's turning it black.
Oh gosh. Let's go outside for a second.
Extremely flammable, harmful or fatal if swallowed. Vapor harmful. Oh.
Yeah, that's why we have the
goodness.
shop door cracked.
Yeah, that's why we. Safety first, guys.
Safety first.
I don't know how to make the video not dark anymore, so I guess we're just gonna have to deal with it.
Hold on, I'll fix it. Turn that little dial. So go to ISO.
Yeah. Okay.
Coding the supercharger. Coding the supercharger.
Yep.
Coding the
Goodness.
supercharger.
Is this? Whew. Is that lubricant working?
We'll see whenever we add some friction to the mix. Extra friction.
We gonna use the drill?
Yeah.
All right.
Let's make some wind. Slowly.
All right. Here, hold on. Can you fix the video real quick? Whatever it is.
So whenever it does that.
Oh, it's on 64. All right, there we go. There we go.
Sorry, people.
Yep. Technical difficulties.
I'm gonna open the garage door up a little bit more. I think it's got alcohol in it. That's what it is. That's what I smell is alcohol. That's also why it's extremely flammable.
Yeah. Is alcohol really super flammable?
Yeah, if it's in high concentrations. Our poor supercharger, like I don't know how to clean this off. It's permanently got graphite embedded into it. But if it works, is it really a dumb idea?
No. Look at all this. Ugh. Ah! We just covered the table in graphite.
Good news is it's wearing in. Okay, let's talk about, so in the beginning of the video, I mentioned that this didn't displace exactly 300 cc's. I'm gonna elaborate on this. This displaces 235-ish cc's. So, I've put so much work into this already, Bill has too, that I think that if this performs really well, we're just gonna hold it at the Lil Root 250. We're gonna round up and we're gonna call it the Lil Root 250 from now on. This is the point. Because it's gonna be a lot of work to redesign this. I know I'm gonna have to anyway, but it won't be a complete and total redesign. I'll just clean some things up. And that way, the next step up can be, we can do something like a 350cc supercharger. Now, I have some ideas, but I'm not gonna elaborate on them because we don't wanna share our secrets just yet. But I think that's what we're gonna go for. And it's gonna be so much easier. We can put our focus all into not are we gonna have to redesign it, but are we going to be able to get this to work? And yeah, it's just gonna be, it's gonna be awesome.
Yeah, it's nothing super bad. You know, it's not gonna form worse now, or I guess it technically will, but it'll still be an amazing supercharger.
We hope.
We hope.
We hope.
We
I think
hope.
I've designed it to be an amazing supercharger, but 3D printing is finicky, and that's what we're dealing with right now.
And this isn't even the strongest material we're going to be 3D printing with.
Right.
Yeah, we're gonna do a stronger material, and then eventually we're hoping to do full-on aluminum. Yeah.
Yeah. So right now we're in the beta stages, but I mean, would you say we've agreed on that we're just gonna go with the flow and we're gonna call it the Lil Root 250?
Yeah.
It doesn't quite have the same ring, but who cares?
Who cares?
If it underperforms slightly to a 300cc blower like of this caliber, just throw a couple more teeth on the drive pulley. You know, whatever. We'll spin it a little bit faster and we'll make just as much or more boost.
Yes.
That's what we're thinking. But right now, I got to figure out what the fart is causing these rotors to rub, and that's yeah. So.
Rubbing rotors, huh?
Yeah.
Sounds like a band name.
We gotta figure out a better way to drive it than this impact, because I don't know if the impact's, I think I can't tell whether the supercharger is melting and it's wearing down the impact, or the impact is just dying. So I think I'm gonna charge the battery. We're gonna see what happens, and we're gonna spin it. And I'm just trying to be conservative and not melting anything at the moment.
Yeah, at the moment.
At the moment.
Okay, so we've mounted on the supercharger and we put on the belt, and Zane has lubricated it a bit more for us. And you know, he has like the graphite all over his face from this thing. Jeez, be more careful next time. Don't get it all over your face. What do you think? What? What's so funny? What's funny?
You need to look in the mirror.
What the crap? Did you do that?
No, I don't think you will let me. Okay. We are about to test this. You ready?
No. So, a bunch of stuff is going to blow up.
Look what I found. The demise of the Lil Root 300, or Lil Root 250, I mean. Oh, Bill's back.
Welcome back.
Well, That's our problem.
What? Okay, we're gonna test it.
We're gonna see the make a boost. I've got my makeshift wall that I'm gonna hide behind.
Everything's makeshift.
Yeah. Okay. In 3, in 2, in 1.
It's making boost! It's making boost!
What did it do?
It's making boost!
How much?
It's making boost all right. We're not even expecting it to make boost.
How much pressure did it make, Bill?
I don't, like, somewhere around here.
You're kidding me.
It was, okay, well, it was like, it was one PSI.
At least.
But it's all, this is not super great. This is not very tight. And everything here, we made boost! We made boost with this!
Let's see, Bill. Let's check. Let's look over and see what we made.
All right.
Okay.
We made boost!
We did it!
We did it! We were only expecting to make a little bit of boost. That's not even the best equipment right there.
Yeah, I mean, okay.
The belt's too loose. There's something wrong with the gears or something. So something's wrong with this, and we smell burning plastic, a loose belt, and we made 1.5 PSIs of boost.
Our Tevlar helped. Our booge gazed were at 150, and our Tevlar made it work.
150.
Or 1.5.
Yeah, 1.5.
Making 150 out of this thing would be quite impressive.
No, it would blow up. In fact, it wouldn't do that. It would blow up. But it was 1.5 with a janky 3D printed. Well, it's not janky. It's designed well. It's just the 3D printed makes it kind of janky.
It's the janky, Bill.
It's the janky. Okay, it made 1.5 PSIs of boost. 1.5.
I know.
Dang.
I'm pretty stoked, but I think we can get better.
Oh, we can get way better. We can get way better.
Give us 30 minutes.
We spent some of this water in there. Let me turn this on auto. Yeah. So we sprayed some in there. As you can see, it's kind of wet. And we also did test it a little bit. I don't know if the camera can pick that up. Oh, yeah, there. Look at all those water droplets. Just shoo, right at the wall.
So we're hoping it doesn't ruin our boost gauge. But yeah.
Oh,
we're going to give it a quick...
Oh, it might.
We're just going to give it a quick test and see what it does. You ready, Bill?
Yep.
In 3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh! It's making 2! And then it worked! 2 1/4.
2 1/4?
2 1/4.
Oh dear.
Oh, okay. Well, now something's happened with our rotors. Now it's all chunky. Look at this. Hold on. Turn it.
It's got like it's.
Oh, load.
Yeah.
Right now it is. It's not doing so hot.
I can't even like spin the belt off. Oh gosh.
Oh, this is so. That's the end of this.
No, not yet. Don't.
Or not alliteration. It's.
What the heck? No.
My bad. I'm not speaking well today.
No, we're gonna take this cover back off and we're gonna run it for a little bit longer.
Oh, but it's all chunky.
Okay, fine.